Scott Fisher, technologist. Scott Fisher is the professor and founding chair of the Interactive Media Division in the USC School of Cinematic Arts at the University of Southern California and director of the Mobile and Environmental Media Lab there. He is an artist and technologist who has worked extensively on virtual reality, including pioneering work at NASA, Atari Research Labs, MIT Architecture Machine Group, now the MIT Media Lab, and Keio University. Early life. Scott S. Fisher was born in 1951 at Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania, near Philadelphia. He was educated at MIT, receiving a Master of Science degree in Media Technology in 1981. His thesis advisor there was Nicholas Negroponte. There he participated in the creation of the Aspen movie map. Career. Much of Fisher's career has focused on expanding the technologies and creative potentials of virtual reality. Between 1985 and 1990, he was founding director of the Virtual Environment Workstation Project View at NASA's Ames Research Center. He attempted to develop a simulator to enable space station maintenance rehearsal. The gloves and goggles often associated with virtual reality were developed there, along with the data glove, head-coupled displays, and 3D audio. In 1989, with Brenda Laurel, Fisher founded Telepresence Research, a company specializing in first-person media, virtual reality, and remote presence research and development. Fisher, Joseph M. Rosen, and Phil S. Green developed a robotic system called the Green 3 Telepresence Surgical System. Fisher and Joseph M. Rosen developed a virtual environment system for viewing and manipulating a model of the human leg. Fisher was project professor in the Graduate School of Media and Governance at Keio University. There, he led a project to allow users to author and view location-based data superimposed over the physical world, a progenitor of what is now termed augmented reality. In 2001, Fisher moved to the University of Southern California. There, he established the division's research initiatives in the mediums of immersive, mobile, and video games. He chaired the division from its founding through 2011. Personal life. Fisher lives in Southern California with his wife Mizuko Ito, a cultural anthropologist studying media technology, and their 2 children. In addition to his other interests, he harbors a fascination with stereoscopy and 3D imaging, as well as Jamaican music. Selected publications, papers, and conference proceedings. O'Reilly Emerging Technologies Conference 2004. Virtual reality worlds continue to develop by Glenn Fraser and Scott S. Fisher in ACM SIGGRAPH Newsletter V32. No. An authoring toolkit for mixed reality experiences in International Workshop on Entertainment Computing 2002. Microarchiving and Interactive Virtual Insect Exhibit in Stereoscopic Displays and Virtual Reality Systems, Roman 9, 2002. Environmental Media, Linking Virtual Environments to the Real World in Creative Digital Media, Its Impact on the New Century 2001. Environmental Media, Accessing Virtual Representations of Real-Time Sensor Data and Site-Specific Annotations Embedded in Physical Environments in Proc. Of the 7th IntleConf on Virtual Systems and Multimedia, Berkeley 2001. Fisher, Scott S. Virtual Environments, Personal Simulations and Telepresence. In Virtual Reality, Theory, Practice, and Promise, S. Helsel and J. Roth, ed. Meckler Publishing, 1991. Fisher, Scott S. Virtual Interface Environments. In the Art of Human-Computer Interface Design, B. Laurel, ed. Addison Wesley Publishing Company, 1990. Fisher, S. Telepresence Master Glove Controller for Dexterous Robotic and Effectors, Advances in Intelligent Robotic Systems, D.P. Cassasint, Editor, Proc. SPI 726, 1986. SPI Cambridge Symposium on Optical and Optoelectronic Engineering, 26-31 October 1986. Cambridge, Massachusetts. Fisher, S. S. McGreevy, M. Humphreys, J. Robinett W. Virtual Environment Display System, ACM 1986 Workshop on 3D Interactive Graphics, Chapel Hill, North Carolina, October 23–24, 1986. Fisher, Scott S. Virtual Interface Environment, E/AIA 7th Digital Avionics Systems Conference, Fort Worth, Texas, October 13–16, 1986. Fisher, S. Viewpoint-Dependent Imaging, an Interactive Stereoscopic Display. Master's Thesis, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Cambridge, Massachusetts. October 1981. Media appearances. Cyberpunk 1990,